Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor, here to give you your February 2020 Denver real estate market update. All right, I want to remind you that we will be looking at January numbers since I won't have February numbers until March. Let's get started with inventory. So inventory, we are low on inventory. You know, last year we kind of had a spike in inventory over the prior year. Things were looking better for buyers. Things are tight right now. January ended with 4,941 homes on the market. That was down 1.91% from December and down 15.98% from January of 2019. It would be surprising to find that out if you looked at new listings, because we had 4,941 new homes listed on the market in January, and that was up 89.27% from December. That's a big jump. I realize December, who wants to list their house in December, right? Christmas is right around the corner. A lot of people wait till January, and yes, lots of people waited with that big spike in new listings, but new listings were up only 0.54% from January of 2019, so not a lot of change there. So what's the difference? With that, about the same amount of listings coming on the market as we had in 2019. Why is our inventory almost 16% lower than last year? Well, we had a lot of homes go under contract in January. Buyers were just scooping those homes up as they came on the market. We had 4,923 homes go under contract in January, which was up 43.03% from December. No surprise on that jump there. Just like people aren't listing their homes in December, people are also not buying as many homes in December, right? But under contract homes, that number was up 24.91% from 2019. So lots more homes went under contract this January than last January, which is part of the reason that inventory is lower this year than it was last year at this time. Okay, let's talk about average sales price. So average sales price in the Denver area in January came in at $476,003. That was actually down from December by 1.49%, but up from January of 2019 by 3.98%. Now I want to break that down just a little bit into attached homes and detached homes, because that number I gave you was everything. Single family homes, townhomes, condos, all that lumped together. And it was a little bit curious when we broke it down. Detached homes, the average sales price came in at $532,494. Now, this was up 0.98% from January. Remember, when we combined them all, it was actually down a little bit, but for detached homes, it was up from December, and it was up 6.86% from January of last year. So detached homes performed pretty well. It was the attached homes, the condos and townhomes, that dragged those averages down this month. For an attached home, the average sales price came in January at $355,754. That was down 4.98% from December and down 0.0, do I have that right? 0.037 or 0.37. Up in the notes here on the screen, I will have that number correct. So it was down. Attached homes were down from both December and January of last year, whereas detached single-family homes were up. Why is this? I don't have a good answer for you, and maybe next month things will level out to where attached homes really perform well for the month of February, and our numbers look better for them next month. I have seen that happen before, where it's just like one month they don't do so well, but then they really outperform the next month. So it'll be interesting to see if that is the case right now. All right, average days on the market right now is sitting right around 45 days. Of course, that can fluctuate quite a bit depending on the neighborhood you're located in or the price range that you're selling in or shopping in. I've definitely seen some multiple offer situations firsthand. I've had actually 2 clients in January that were involved in multiple offer situations. So with this low inventory, those things are still happening where homes are on the market for a very short period of time, a day or 2, 3 days over the weekend, and boom, there's multiple offers. Hot neighborhoods, priced right. You got it. Sellers have so gotten used to this seller's market, and all too often sellers have kind of an overinflated idea of what the value of their home is or what they should be able to sell their home at. And when that happens, the home still sits. So you've got to make sure you price right. Buyers, right now, that inventory is tight. Possibility you could find yourself in one of those really fun multiple offer situations, but we are heading into spring, and so I fully expect to see a flood of new houses on the market. Will our inventory increase? It's hard to say. There's a lot of buyers out there right now taking advantage of these low interest rates. Interest rates are awesome right now, so it is a good time to buy, good time to get your house on the market because there's lots of buyers out there looking. So we are very safely still in a seller's market. Seller's market is anything below 5 months of inventory. We are sitting around a month right now. So sellers do still hold the upper hand very comfortably, except in one segment of the market. That is in the luxury market. Luxury market is considered any homes priced above $1 million. Buyers, you are holding the cards in that price range. So if you're a $1 million and up buyer, you are holding the advantage there. Right now, in the luxury market, we're sitting at 6.92 months worth of inventory. A buyer's market is considered anything above 6 months. That 5 to 6 month range is a balanced market. Anything above 6 months, that's considered a buyer's market. So if you are in that price range, that's what you need to expect. Whether you're a seller or a buyer in that price range, keep that in mind. That's all I have for you for your February market update. Again, my name's Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. If you are planning to buy a new home in Denver, planning to sell a home, definitely give me a call. I'd love the opportunity to earn your business. Of course, as always, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my updates or home tours around the Denver area. Thanks for joining me today, and have a wonderful day.